crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefania and today is lesson 5 of my Crochet 101 series. In this series, I break down the basics of crochet to help anyone go from a complete beginner to a confident crocheter. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how you do a single crochet increase and decrease. This is a fundamental of crochet and will allow you to follow patterns of all sorts. Without further ado, let's jump right in. To demonstrate increase and decrease stitches, I've pre-made this little rectangle that's 5 stitches across. For this example, let's imagine that for my next row, I would like there to be 7 stitches across. As always, at the beginning of the round, I'm going to chain 1 and insert my hook into the second stitch from the hook. I'm going to put 1 single crochet stitch, and then to increase, I'm going to put my hook into that same stitch and do another single crochet stitch. I'm then going to just put single crochet stitches into the next couple of stitches, and again put an increase into the last stitch in the row. We can now count and see that there's 7 stitches in this row. Let's do another row with 2 more increases. So again, we'll chain 1, and then in the second stitch from the hook, we'll insert our hook, do 1 single crochet stitch, insert our hook into the same stitch, and do another single crochet stitch. We'll then do single crochet stitches in all of the stitches until the last one, where we'll again put 2 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. We now have 9 stitches in our row, and you can see the shapes start to increase in size. Next, I'll show you how to decrease. Again, chaining 1, we're going to insert our hook into the second stitch from the hook, yarn over, pull a loop through. Then in the next stitch, we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, and pull a loop through so that we have 3 loops on our hook. You can then yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. And that's our simple decrease stitch. Continue down the row with your single crochet stitches until the last 2 stitches, where we're going to decrease again. So insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull a loop through, insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull a loop through, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. If you count, we're back down to 7 stitches in our row. Now, if you're making an amigurumi piece or working in the round, it's sometimes important to do an invisible decrease stitch. So I'll show you how to do that now. Chain 1 at the beginning of our row. Then in the second stitch from the hook, instead of inserting our hook through both loops, we're going to just take the front post, and then we're going to take the front post of the next stitch as well. Yarn over and pull through both of the front posts, then yarn over and pull through. Single crochet into our next 3 stitches. Then we'll do that again. Insert your hook into the front post of the first stitch, insert your hook into the front post of the second stitch, yarn over, pull a loop through both of the front posts, then yarn over and pull your loop through. Now we're back down to 5 stitches in our row. When making a flat piece, you don't really need to use the invisible decrease stitches, which is why I showed you both techniques here. You also don't need to place your increase or decrease stitches at the ends of the rows. It just depends on what the pattern instructs or what kind of shape you're trying to make. If you put your increase stitches in the middle of the row, you'll create more of a curve, and similarly, if you decrease in the middle of a row, you'll create a dart. By just using basic single crochet stitches, increases and decreases, you can follow most patterns. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. If you liked this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. I make new videos every week, including check-in videos, crochet tutorials, and other craft content. I have other lessons planned for this series, but if you have any crochet questions at all, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!